Hello dear students, how are you? Children, first of all, I would like to wish you a very happy, healthy and prosperous new year 2021. Hope it brings all new success and happiness in your lives. Children, I'm so glad to have you all here again to continue the journey of online class. In this video, we'll be going to start with the new chapter, that is chapter number 3, unit 2. Chapter number 3, that is tools of word processor. We are done with the unit 1. Okay, but in this video, we'll be continuing with the next unit, that is unit number 2, editing a document. So this unit 2 is on page number 53. Okay, so children, take out your book. We'll study about editing a document. Editing means you can change the appearance of, or you can review the content of your document. Suppose if there is any spelling mistake, if there is any grammatical mistake, then how would you come to know that there is some mistakes over there? So MS Word, this word processor provides you some facilities, some tools through which you can easily find out what corrections to be needed in your document. So children, now we'll be continuing with the practical. I'll show you how you can edit a document with the help of some practicals. Okay, so what we are waiting for, let's have a look. See children, this is MS Word document. Here I have written two paragraphs over. So the first task that I'm going to perform in this is change case. Okay, undo and redo we'll do later. Okay, but first I will tell you change case, how you can use this change case button in this. Okay, so open page number 54. Now children, here the heading. Now change case feature changes the case of the letters. Now what is case, children? Case means capital or small letters. These are the cases. Okay, to capitalize a letter or to small a letter. Okay, so now suppose if I want to change the case of any text, I have to perform some steps. Here step 1 is, suppose I want to change the case of this heading. So I have to select it. Okay, first I have to select it. I have selected the text. Now step number 2, click change case button, which is located in the font group under home tab. Here, see children, this is the change case button. Okay, this is the change case button. Now when I click on it, now second step, click change case button, font group. See, this is the font group and under home tab. This is the home tab. Okay, now under this home tab, this is the font group, and in this we have to click this change case button. Okay, so this is the change case button. Now if I click on this drop down list, see, you can see that there are few options provided here. Okay, now according to the option we can change the case. Now this is sentence case, second one is lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, and toggle case. Okay, so let us use this sentence case first. Okay, now I have selected the text already. Now click on this sentence case option. Now what it does, it capitalizes the first letter of every sentence. Okay, it capitalizes the first letter. See, this is the sentence over here, evolution of computer. Here it capitalizes the first letter, that is E from here. Got it children? Now again, now let us use the second case, that is lower case. How it does? Now first select the, now children, here I'll tell you undo action. Also I'll show you undo action. See, the editing is done over here, that E is capitalized over here, but before it was small e. So if I press this undo key, see, again what it does, it reverses back the action that is all previously performed. Okay, so undo means you can go back to the action which is previously performed. Okay, now if I have clicked on this undo action, so what it does, it brings us back to the previous action. Means here E was written in small letter, so undo action perform this action. It makes the capital E, small e. Got it, children? Now, next we will use lower case. Now, see, if I select this word, the, see, suppose I want to select this text, okay, here, and click on this change case button. Now use the second case, lower case. If I click on this lower case, what it does, it changes the capital letter to lowercase. All the capital letters to lowercase. Lowercase means the small letters. Okay, children. Now, again, click on this undo option. See, the previously action that we have performed, it will come again back. Okay. Now, next is upper case. Now, see, children, if I select this sentence, then what it does, click on a change case letter and then click on uppercase. Now what uppercase option does, it changes all the small letters into capital letters, means all the lowercase letters to uppercase letters. Now children, next option is what, capitalize each word. Now select these words, click on this change case button and click on this capitalize each word option. Look, see what it does, it changes the first letter of each word into uppercase, into capital. Got it, children? See, evolution, the first letter is E, it changes the first letter in capital. O. Second word is off, so it changes the first letter O into capital. Third word is computer, so it changes the first letter of computer C into capital. So what it does, this capitalize each word option changes the first letter of each and every word into upper case. Next option is toggle case. Now what it does, it reverses the action, means if any letter is written in capital, it makes that capital letter into small, and if any letter is written in small, it changes into uppercase, into capital letters. Got it, children? So let us see how it changes. Suppose I have selected here E is written in capital and the rest of the letters are in small. So just see how it does. Okay, select this word. Now click on change case option and this toggle case. See what it does. First, at first, what it was written like this. Okay, and after that, when we perform the toggle case, what it does, it makes the capital letter E into small, and the rest of the letters which are written in small, it changes into capital letters. Okay, so this is how, children, we can. Now if I click on this undo, what it does, it brings us back to the previous action. Okay, so children, this change case feature help us to change the case of the letters, means it capitalize the lower case and it changes the lower case into upper case, means it changes the small letters into capital letters and capital letters to small letters. Okay, so in our document we can use this feature also. Okay, now next comes checking spelling. Page number 55. Next topic is checking spelling. Okay, children. Now suppose, children, now this MS Word document, whenever we type any text, we do not find if there is any mistake, how do we come to know? So the MS Word offers you this feature that if you have written any spelling wrong, it highlight it. Means MS Word has a feature of built-in dictionary which keeps on checking the spellings. Okay, children. Now after you have seen that the spelling is written wrong, now what is the way of correcting it? Now what you have to do, you have to click on that particular number, that particular word, you have to click on it, and now press the right click. See, right click I have done. Now it will display you the options with the alternative words, means suppose you want to write down any word, so you can select it from here. I want to write down it numbers. Spelling is written wrong. Now if you want to correct it, how we can correct it? We can click on it, that particular word, press right click, and see it will display you with the alternative spellings. Okay, list of alternative spellings. I want to write down like this, head. So if I've clicked, see it automatically correct that particular word. So isn't it a very good feature of MS Word? So this is how you can keep on checking your spellings, that whether you have written something wrong, you can correct it also. Okay, children? Now children, I just hope that you all have understood the video very well. You all have learned how you can edit a document. So children, half of the part we are done with in this video. Rest of the part will continue in our next module. Okay, so children, now what you have to do, the questions, the assignments which is to be giving, will be given to you in Padhe Bharat. You have to find out the answers of those questions and you have to write down the answers, okay, in your computer notebook. And also make sure that you guys mention the assignment number and your name on the computer notebook. Got it, children? Because as you all must have known till now that we teachers are maintaining a record in which we are writing the names of the students, those who are sending other assignments. So it's mandatory to write down the name of yours and also mentioning the assignment number. Okay, so according to that, we will give you marks in your final exams also. Okay. This is now for today. We'll be continuing with the rest of the topic in our next module. Till then, stay safe and stay home. And children, also once again, Happy New Year 2021 to you and your family. Keep smiling.